Hello everyone. In this video, let us look at some of the interview questions for a sales manager and how to answer them. When interviewing for a sales manager position, there are many questions that employer will ask to determine if you have the right skills to manage the sales team and how you can handle yourself in this high pressure job. There will be questions regarding your leadership style, in addition to the questions that focus specifically on sales and team management. Why do you want the sales manager position, or why do you want to work in this company? This is a simple question that all employers will ask. They want an honest answer that shows why you are the right candidate as well as what you bring to the table. This is a great time to show you have done your homework and understand the company. Also, it's appropriate to bring up some examples where you stepped up as a leader. You can answer in this way. I enjoyed what I read about this company and your products. I am really looking forward at the possibility of working for you. I appreciate all the reviews about your products and want to help get your sales to the next level. I know I can succeed as a sales manager for this company and want the opportunity to show you how I can help this company reach new heights. What do you like most about sales? Employers like to ask this question to see how motivated you are in sales and in leading a team. You will want to answer this question with enthusiasm and give an example of a time when you are motivated. You can answer in this way. My favorite part about sales is helping a customer find the right product or service to help them with their biggest needs. To me, this is the most rewarding and best part of the job. I also really enjoy the team camaraderie aspect of it. We all work together toward a common goal, and it feels great when we work hard to achieve those goals. What is your best memory of a sale you won? This question is used to eliminate candidates who don't possess the grit you need to close hard deals. You can answer by giving an example. Make sure your example is about a time you thought a deal wouldn't close, but you did something specific that turned it all around. This example shows that you are excited by a challenge of a sale and winning the business. What was a mistake you made? What did you learn from it? You can take this question as an opportunity to show you learn from your mistakes. Some interviewers will phrase this question as, what is your great weakness? You can answer them in the same way. Mention that you made a mistake and share the actions you took to correct it and what you learned from that experience. Be specific, tell a story. For example, a common mistake salespeople make is talking too much. You can show that you learned your lesson by giving a brief but complete answer to this question with a short example. Put the following three words in order of importance to you: money, recognition, promotion. There is no right answer to this question, but it's an opportunity for you to show that you have reason behind your answer and you know where your priorities lie. Self-awareness is important to hiring managers. With a question like this, as long as you have logic answer and sincerely mean it, you should be fine. You can answer in this way: money, recognition, promotion. Because if I make the company, my clients and myself a lot of money, the recognition and promotion will follow in that order. State the 7 steps of the sales process. The interviewer tests your familiarity with the steps of the sales process. The 7 steps of the sales process are prospecting, preparation, approach, presentation, handling objections, closing, and follow-up. These steps help you find potential clients, close sales, and retain them. What is the first thing you would do when sales are down? Every salesperson will eventually hit a slump. What matters most is what do you do to get out of it. Try not to speak only hypothetically here, but give specifics about what you have done in the past. You can answer in this way. When sales are down, I stay highly focused and organized. I create a strategic outreach plan. The plan is focused on consistency and targeted activity numbers. For example, make 20 phone calls to past and high potential clients. Send 30 emails each day that are directly related to growing new and existing business opportunities, and start going after securing more meetings or appointments. How would you manage a team and manage your schedule? This question gets asked by employers who are trying to figure out your management skills. Keep in mind your organization skills when answering this question. You can answer in this way. I am all about priorities and lists. I would look at priorities in a day, week, month and year and then figure out the best way to tackle them. I would use some teaming application where I can see our whole team schedule and upcoming tasks as a whole. Then I would have a daily or at least weekly discussions with my team to look at our deadlines. This way I would be able to discuss with my team what needs to happen and we would work together to shift priorities around and each of us tackle things one by one. What are the roles performed by a sales manager? The interviewer seeks to know whether you understand your roles as a sales manager. State several roles performed by sales managers. Give the impression that you are familiar with your roles. You can answer in this way. A sales manager ensures that the targets of the company are met. This is achieved by planning and budgeting effectively. A sales manager develops strategies and techniques that help to achieve the targets. They motivate their team members, monitor performance and progress, and ensure relationships with clients are maintained. Sell me this pen. It is the most frequently asked sales interview question, so you should be prepared for it. Be positive. An important part of answering this question is to be positive. An interviewer wants to see how you react to sudden changes. Try to maintain an enthusiastic attitude to demonstrate to the interviewer that you are calm under pressure. Ask direct questions. Asking the interviewer questions about their experience with pens or how they use them in their daily lives can help you gain ideas on how to proceed. Ask them questions like, what kind of pen do you like to write with? Describe your favorite pen. What does it look like? What coloring do you prefer? What price range are you looking to spend? And some other questions related to their favorite pen. Relate the pen to a larger concept or idea. By relating the pen and its importance to a larger concept or life event, you are expanding upon its obvious benefits as a rating tool. Relate the pen to interviewer's specific needs. Once you have gotten the chance to ask the interviewer about their experience using pens, you can start directing the pitch towards their specific needs. Close by asking them to purchase the pen. An important part of a sales pitch can be trying to close the pitch with a new customer. Try to organically incorporate it into the end of your pitch with a positive statement that makes them want to say yes. You can go through this example. How would you handle an underperforming salesperson? Here, the interviewer wants to know whether you can enhance the performance of your underperforming members to improve the overall performance. You can answer in this way. First, I would seek to understand what causes the salesperson to perform poorly. Second, I would advise the individual on ways to improve performance. If the employee is unfamiliar with assigned tasks, I would seek to know what they can do better and assign them tasks accordingly. Do you have any questions for me? This is the most important question you will be asked in the interview. Your answer always needs to be yes. You better have a few questions because questioning shows interest. But don't ask questions for the sake of asking questions. Ask questions on things you are genuinely curious about. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.